こんにちは。Welcome to Consonant Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the h, and h consonant sounds as in ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Consonant Japanese. As I mentioned in my intro video, there are three things you might want to keep in mind when you learn consonant sounds. Number 1. Voiced or voiceless. Number 2. Where the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my place for articulation video. The link in the description box below. Number 3. How the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my manner of articulation video. The link is also in the description. About the first point. The H sound as in ha, he, ho. The h sound as in hi. And the h sound as in hu. All of them are voiceless consonants, meaning your vocal cords here do not vibrate. Oh, your breath is horrifying. Next, about the second point. First, let's talk about the H sound as in ha, he, ho. The place of articulation for this sound is officially considered to be the glottis, but it's really a tongue position of the next sound. For example, when you pronounce ha, you make the a tongue position. With he, you make the e tongue position. With ho, you make the o tongue position. Next, let's talk about the place of articulation for the h sound as in he. Take a look. The tip of the tongue touches the bottom teeth. The front part of the tongue is raised towards the hard palate. Finally, the place of articulation for the h sound as in hu. Take a look. The lips come close together and you make the tongue position of the u vowel. Take notice, even though your lips come close together, you don't round your lips. The last point. The H sound as in ha, he, ho, the h sound as in he, and the h sound as in hu. All of them are fricative consonants. With fricative consonants, you make a narrow passage at places of articulation with your tongue or lips. That narrow passage causes hissing noise. Although the H sound is officially considered to be a fricative consonant, it's not a fricative consonant because there's no constriction made inside your mouth. With this sound, you just let the air pass through your mouth while you make the tongue position of the following vowel sound. With the sh sound, you make a narrow passage between the front part of your tongue and the hard palate to make a hissing noise. Sh, sh, sh. With the h sound, you make a narrow passage with your lips while you make the tongue portion of the u vowel. Now let's practice pronouncing ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Connect all three sounds with a, I, u, e, o. Repeat with me. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Alright, now let's practice pronouncing ha, hi, hu, he, ho using some real words. Repeat with me. 旗、旗、人、人、皮膚、皮膚、へそ、へそ、星、星。One last thing. Both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters, so it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. So check out my Patreon page, the link in the description box below. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。